Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to financial abundance. Today, we delve into the essential strategies on how to attain wealth and prosperity. Whether you're just starting your journey or seeking to amplify your wealth, this guide is for you. So let's dive in. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm your name. And today we're going to explore the ins and outs of becoming rich. Now let's start by debunking some common myths about wealth. Myth #1, you need to be born into wealth to become rich. False. While inheritance can certainly provide a head start, countless individuals have built their fortunes from scratch through hard work, smart investing, and strategic planning. Myth #2, becoming rich requires luck. While luck can sometimes play a role, it's not the primary determinant of wealth. Consistent effort, resilience, and a willingness to take calculated risks are far more crucial. Now that we've dispelled these myths, let's delve into the actionable steps you can take to increase your wealth. Set clear financial goals. Define what wealth means to you and set specific, measurable goals to achieve it. Develop multiple income streams. Diversify your sources of income to reduce risk and increase financial stability. Invest wisely. Educate yourself about different investment options and develop a diversified investment portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Live below your means. Practice frugality and prioritize spending on assets that generate income or appreciate in value. Continuously educate yourself. Stay updated on financial trends, investment strategies, and opportunities to expand your knowledge and skills. Surround yourself with success. Network with individuals who inspire and motivate you to achieve greater financial success. Give back. Cultivate a mindset of abundance by giving back to your community and supporting causes that align with your values. Remember, achieving wealth is not an overnight journey. It requires dedication, discipline, and perseverance. But with the right mindset and strategies, financial abundance is within reach for anyone willing to put in the effort. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth and living your best life. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep striving for greatness. Take care.